Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we are going to talk about another method for growing pea seed into the hydroponic system. Friends, if you have watched my previous video on sowing the pea seed directly into hydroponic system, in that system we have sown some seeds directly into the net pot. Now you can see that the result for that system, and you can see that out of this 4, 3 has germinated well, and you can see that this plant has germinated well as it has developed good roots also. But this is not the case always. Many times due to the quality of the seed or the seed are not getting germinated properly, and we end up into this like this. This seed has not germinated at all, and now we need to replace this with another seed. So to avoid this, we can use another method where we pre-germinate the seed and sow it into the net cups for this hydroponic system. So in this video, I will show you how to pre-germinate the pea seed and sow it into hydroponic system in detail. So to know everything, stay connected till the end of the video. So let's start the video. Watch the video till the end. And if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to show you another method for sowing the pea seed into the hydroponic system. In this method, we will pre-germinate the seed and sow it into the net cups. So we need not to replace those seeds which are not getting germinated. And also this will reduce our effort a lot. As we are going to sow only the germinated seed into the net pot, so we will get the 100% rate at the sowing into the net cups, and with this we will not only save some time on germination, we will also end up with the saving in labor for replacing those all non-germinated seed into the system. So to know in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So to pre-germinate the pea seeds, we must have pea seeds and take some water. So here is our pea seeds and we have a water. So what we'll do, we'll simply put those seeds, few seeds in this water and keep it aside for 3 to 4 hours. The seeds which you have kept for soaking are now ready. It has been 3 to 4 hours now, and you can see that all the seeds are popped up and absorb the full moisture. So now at this stage, we need to put it into the wetted cloth. Here we have taken a jute cloth which we have moistened it just sufficiently that it should not drip any water from it. So we are doubling it and take this seed out of the water and spread it over this. So we need to ensure that all the seeds are in single layer. So we have taken out all the seeds. Now we have this box with us with the lid. So what we'll do, we'll fold this cloth so that it fits into this box. So we are folding this to fit into the box, and then we'll keep this into this box. So now the seeds are in a moist jute cloth in the box, and we'll cover the box so that no air should go in. After this, we need to keep this box into dark, little warmer place which will initiate the germination process. Once germination starts after 2 or 3 days, we'll check this, and whatever seeds are sprout, we'll shift it to the net cup manually. So now we will see how our seeds are germinated. So now it has been 2 days since we have put these seeds for the sprouting, and today we will check what is the condition of the seed. So we will open the lid of the box. We will take our cloth out. We will open it. So most of the seeds have just started sprouting. You can see this. This has started sprouting. Now at this stage, we can shift them to net cups. We can use the media, either the coco peat, or we can use the media, the small clay balls. So here we are going to use these small clay balls. So what we will do, we will take out all the seeds which are sprouted, and then we will sow those seeds into the net cups. So now we have collected most of the seeds which are sprouted. You can see that these are the seeds which we have got sprouted. The remaining major lot of seeds are not germinated. As it is a cold weather, it will take a day or two more to germinate. So what we will do, we will again pack these seeds same way as we have put first time, and again put it into box for germination. Now we need to check this box daily, so as whatever seeds are sprouted, we will shift them to the net cups. So right now we are just placing this into the box again and shift it to the dark place. Now we will sow this seed into these net cups. So we are going to sow this into this clay balls. So we will start sowing this seeds. Now for that, what we need to do is simply take the net cup, we will fill it to the half, then we will take the seed. You can see this sprout is that. So we need to ensure that the sprout goes on the bottom side. So we will place the seed like this on the halfway, and we will fill the pot with the clay balls. Now we need to immediately put this under water, or we can spray this regularly. So we will complete the sowing for all the seeds like this and water it with the help of a shower. So friends, this is how simply we can sow our pre-germinated seed into the net cups. We need to ensure that we keep the moisture regularly in this net cup till the final sprout comes out of the media. It will take another 2 or 3 days to sprout to come out to the media. That up to this stage, we need to keep it into the tray and keep it moistened. So once the sprout come out, we can shift this net cup either to our NFT, DFT or deep water culture buckets. So we can also sow these seeds directly either into the media buckets or in the coco peat media, so that transplantation can be avoided. So with this method, we have an advantage that we have 100% germinated seed into the net cups, and we can save a lot of labor in replacing the seeds which are not germinated, which we directly seed into the net cups. So using this method for the big seed, it will be very helpful for the fast and 100% germination. Thank you.